Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at gold, Xauusd, on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, gold has already completed a strong bullish move of more than 1,070 pips, and price is now reacting around a major breakout and range zone. The overall market structure is still bullish, and price is respecting this ascending trend line, which confirms buyers are still in control. Right now, gold is testing the 4,400 to 4,430 zone. This area was previously resistance, and now it is acting as a key support zone. If price holds above this range and confirms a proper break and retest, we can expect further upside continuation toward the next resistance near 4,446 and above. However, if gold fails to hold this level and gives rejection, then a pullback is possible back into the range. The first support to watch will be 4,303, and in case of stronger selling pressure, the next major support lies near 4,274. RSI is still in a healthy zone, showing there is room for continuation after consolidation. So overall, bias remains bullish, but patience is key. Wait for confirmation before entering any trade. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for daily market updates. This is not financial advice. Trade with proper risk management,